Okay, we're looking at a Victor scope here, an audio Victor scope. Some plugins, sometimes the phase meters don't show, right? I mean, I've had a plugin before where I'm looking for the phase meters, it's only showing, this part here. So basically, if it's rounded like this, it's and it's, hitting around in a rounded ball like this, is generally in phase. As you can see with the phase meters here, +1, it's in phase. If it's really skinny, and you're just seeing a little bit here and there, it's probably out of phase. But anyways, just in case somehow you get a plug-in and you're not seeing your in-phase meters, you're seeing just this part of the Audio Victor scope. You can tell by it being in phase with this rounded type of pattern. Excuse me, that was my voice. Rounded type of pattern here.